Welcome. In this video I'm going to be taking a look at these Dmeixs battery-powered LED light strips. These were provided to me by the distributor, but they're not compensating me for this video and they're not reviewing this before I post it. If you're interested in this, I'll put a link in the description of this on Amazon. If you use this link, it helps me out a little bit, it doesn't cost you anything extra. So this is actually a 2-pack of lights. And these take 3 AA batteries. So I've got the Amazon batteries here. And there we go, they're on. So we can turn these on and off. And this has a 3M adhesive on the back. And you can see the chips here, and these are just a white light. And you can cut these to whatever size you need. So what you could use these for, say your kids had like a little playhouse, you could put these in their playhouse to give them some lighting that's safe, since you don't have to plug it into the regular power. This would work well in like an RV where you need some extra light, or you could put them in a closet. So I'll unspool this a little bit so we can see the light a little bit better. So there we go. I'll turn the light off. So that's quite a bit of light there. Oops. So that's quite a bit of light coming out. I think this would be a nice little kit for like a maker project. I mean, other things you could use this for is you could, say, put this on a bicycle. That'd be kind of cool. You could put it, in a car project, something like that. You have 2 wires coming off here, so you could probably wire this into a separate switch or a relay or something if you wanted to come on. So I'll show the LED up close here a little bit, if I can focus on it. So I put my macro lens on so we can get a good look at these up close. There we go. You can see the LED there. You can see the resistors, and you can see the little terminal pads. I say I'm pretty impressed my camera's even picking this up with how bright those LEDs are. But I did a good job adjusting. Oh, I forgot to mention one important thing. These are 2 meters in size. So there's 2 of these that are 2 meters. So this one has the second set in it. So I think that's a pretty sleek set. I haven't decided exactly what I'm going to do with these, but I maybe have a maker project I might use these on that I saw recently. So stay tuned for that if I do it. And if I don't, I guess stay tuned for other things. But I'll have to order some parts if I'm going to do that little project. So I think that's a neat LED kit. If you have any questions about this, please leave it in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.